Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm standing beside a bamboo. This is one of the Fargesia, the genus Fargesia. The Fargesia are small. You see it's probably as tall as 5 foot tall. Some of them are about twice as tall, but they are clump forming bamboos. This plant is about 10 years old and it just made a large clump. It's not running around, but the point I want to make today is any stem on a bamboo of any type of bamboo has a limited life span. They might go 3 years, 5 years, something like that, and then the individual stems die of old age. So, when you just need to go in. Let's get to, I actually don't have my pruning shears on me, but these are very slender and I can cut the stems off. And this is something that clearly hasn't been done for a number of years, so it's become a much bigger task than if it was done once a year. And that stalk isn't completely dead, but it's on its way out, so I'm going to take it out today. Now, if we wanted to cut the whole thing to the ground, that's one way to handle it. We do have a very small number of native bamboos, native to the U.S. They're, I think they're Arundinaria, in the genus Arundinaria, and they are running bamboos. And I want to emphasize the Fargesias are Asian and clump forming, but the farmers, perhaps centuries ago, would cut a stand of our native bamboo down because in the tender new shoots that resulted were things that livestock could graze, whereas they might not graze the tougher old stems. So if you're growing any bamboo, maintenance, they're low maintenance, except that you do need to remove older stems, and certainly ones that are old enough to have died. It will take quite a few hours to go through this whole plant and cut out all these old ones, but it would look ever so much better if it was all just green shoots and not all these dead shoots. It's not that the plant is unhealthy, it's that the plant is not self-cleaning, and the tidy gardener will want to do this type of renewal pruning in order to improve its appearance. If you decided to just cut the whole thing to the ground, I don't think it would matter when you did it from the standpoint of the plant, but I like to think in terms of how long do you want a blank spot in your garden. So if I cut it down in late summer or fall or something like that, it's going to be a blank spot until it puts up new growth in the spring. So if you could put up with its appearance until late winter, that's when I would cut it down, because it would quickly start putting up new growth once spring was here. So again, not a decision based on the health of the plant, but just a decision based on having the blank spot in the garden as brief as possible. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.